In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to replace or change the ink cartridges for your HP Envy 6500 printer series. Now you may need to change your ink cartridges if it is running low or empty. And one way to check that is via the control panel, where you can swap and check on the supplies. And as you can see over here, both the color as well as the black is low on ink. So we have prepared a set of ink cartridges, which is the HP 68E for the black cartridge and HP 68 for the tricolor cartridge. Now for the black cartridge with an E, it is the high yield ink cartridge. So remove the ink cartridges by opening the package and removing the tape. Take care not to touch the electrical contacts or even the nozzles. Next, open the ink access door. Remove the cartridges in the printer by pushing it down and taking it out. Load in the black ink cartridge by loading it in and pushing up. You should hear a click and the cartridge is installed properly. Similarly, for the tri cartridge, it goes into the left carriage, load it in this way and lift it up. The cartridges are now installed. You may close the ink access door. It has detected that new ink cartridges have been installed, and we may need to print an alignment page. Let's align the cartridges. Once the alignment page is printed, you will need to scan the alignment page. Open the flatbed scanner and place the alignment page as shown. Tap on Scan. The cartridge alignment has been completed. So this is how you replace or change the ink cartridges for your HP Envy 6500 printer series.